So this is one of the most common questions I get when I ever talk about SEO, so keyword research. Why keyword research is so important. So in this video, I'm going to explain everything and why it is actually important. So literally, if you messed up the keyword research, okay, you are going to lose your money, and you are going to waste your time as well. So that's a general reason why keyword research is important. So let's go to the next slide. So 90% of SEO is keyword research. That's the first point I mentioned. So if you go after, so if you do your keyword research properly, 90% of SEO is done because you are going after right keyword. So what is actually keyword research? I will explain with a example. Let's go to the next slide. Okay, let's say you want to start a shoe business, so local shop, right? So before you start your local business, local shop, you need to know some information. So you have to do some research, right? Let's say you have no idea about shoe business. So that's why you need to do some research. So basically, if I do a if I want to start a shoe shop, I want to know how many shoe shops are in my city, right? What kind of competition? If there's a chance, I can start and I can sell shoes as well. If there are a lot of people selling shoes for really a great price, I mean, then it's going to be difficult to beat that price. So another thing is you need to understand, you need to know what kind of shoes are trending, right? So what kind of shoes people like to buy, what kind of shoes young people are buying, and what kind of shoes old people are buying, like this, right? And what are the expensive shoes and what are the cheapest shoes, right? And what are the profit margins, like this. Otherwise, you are like shooting nowhere, right? Because you have no idea, right? So that's the same thing. If you do your keyword research for your website, that means 90% of work is done. That's why I said that. Let's go to the next slide. So before you make your content, all the time do the keyword research. Why? Let's go. Competition. You need to know what kind of competition your keywords have, right? You need to understand, because there are a lot of big authority websites, right? Maybe you are in EAT. I am strong I am strongly recommend you, suggest you go after another niche. If you are in a EAT, not EAT actually, YMYL, your money, your life niche, that means it's not a good idea, because Google doesn't like smaller websites talking about people's health or financial situation, these topics. Google doesn't like it, right? So you need to know your keywords. You need to know what kind of keywords you are going after, right? And the other thing is search volume. So let's say normally, if there is a big search volume, if there are a lot of keywords with like 20,000 search volume, 5,000 search volume, right? And 5,000, 8,000, 10,000, 100,000 search volume, that means they are so competitive. So you need to understand what kind of keywords you can go after, right? And the other thing is, when you do the keyword research, you can plan your content clusters, right? I did a video and watch that as well. It will help you for sure, because when you use content clusters, that also helps you to rank your website. You can actually rank for a little bit more competitive keywords as well if you are planning, or if you have planned content clusters. So when you do the keyword research, you can know these stuff, right? Content clusters or silos, like this. Another thing is, like, general thing is, let's say I had a website about technology. I was blogging about it. I didn't have much traffic. I had some traffic, but I didn't have good growth or something like this, because I didn't do any keyword research, right? And that's why I was stuck there, right? So make sure whatever the content you make sure there are people searching that keyword on the internet. So if you don't know any of these points I mentioned, that means you haven't done your keyword research, right? And that means you are on your luck, right? You have no idea where you are going. And it's like, you have a ship, right? And you have a destination, right? And then you go to this direction. So when you don't know what's your destination, you are going nowhere, right? So imagine that situation. So this is why the keyword research is so important. Doesn't matter whether you are making content for YouTube, doesn't matter whether you are doing content for Pinterest, Instagram, anything, YouTube, right? Before you make your content, make sure you do the keyword research all the time. Okay, so now you know why keyword research is so important. So like I said, do the keyword research first, because it's so important. Otherwise you have no idea what you are shooting for. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you like to learn about SEO, internet marketing, do not forget to subscribe as well. So see you in the next video.